How to fix Microsoft Teams error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Teams error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Teams and then click storage, and now clear cache and click for stop. Now go back and your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix it, go to storage, clear data, click OK, and that's it. Now go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just go to Play Store and check if there is an update, and then just update your Microsoft Teams and your problem must be fixed. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.